Local news about local people. This is Newslink, Indiana.
Good evening, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. 24 hours after thunderstorms tore through the town of Lynn, homeowners are busy cleaning up what Mother Nature left behind. Residents showed Newslink Indiana's Jill Crean the damage left by the storm.
Thursday night, the small town of Lynn was hit hard with a series of storms that flooded the city. But Friday, although the water was gone, residents were left with damage to clean up.
Most of it was flood. A lot of limbs down. There was one power line down over on Church Street. Pretty much just basic bad thunderstorm, but like I said, it could have been a lot worse, and a lot of us thought it was going to be a lot worse.
But there's still some water standing in Lynn, but it's receding fast, just in time for this weekend's storm.
When I got home, the water in the street here was all so high. I wasn't sure if I could get through it, but I did. But I could see it was up. My husband said it was running in the garage and the backyard here. It's up above the shed there, and that's what we're worried about, is the things that's inside it getting damaged.
Residents say next time they'll be prepared for the worst.
It was cut down a lot of the dead limbs off the trees. Probably get some kind of an evacuation thing set up for the kids the next couple of days.
In Lynn, Jill Crean, Newslink, Indiana.
Now, homeowners weren't the only ones who saw damage. Last night's storm flooded many area corn, wheat, and soybean fields. Farmer Mark Miller says hail damage is the biggest concern because the crops had already started to grow. However, the damage varies between fields because farmers began planting at different times. It's hoped most crops can be salvaged.
It'll grow, it'll be there, but I imagine we're at least between 10 and 20% loss, which probably isn't going to be enough for a replant or anything like that.
Farmers were able to plant early this season because of favorable weather conditions. More wet weather is ahead for at least part of our Memorial Day weekend. Here's a look at the Newslink Indiana forecast. The holiday weekend starts off dry tonight. It will be clear with a low of 51. Tomorrow, expect partly cloudy skies and very comfortable conditions with a high of 75. And looking ahead in the 5-day forecast, the chance of showers and storms returns for the second half of the holiday weekend. Some of those storms could be strong on Sunday. Highs will range from the mid to upper 70s with lows mostly in the 50s. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 10:57 for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.